Okay, let's clear up one of the biggest words in crypto: decentralized. People say Bitcoin is decentralized, finance is decentralized, everything is decentralized. But what does that actually mean? Simple. Decentralized means no single person, company, bank, or government is in charge. Instead of one boss making every decision, everybody follows the same rules. Now, let's make it real. Think about a regular bank. That's centralized. One company runs the system. They decide the hours. They decide who gets approved. They decide whether your account stays open. They can freeze funds, hold transactions, or say, not today. That's centralization. Everything goes through one authority. Bitcoin works differently. There is no Bitcoin CEO, no headquarters, no customer service manager waking up spicy and changing the rules before lunch. Instead, thousands of computers around the world help verify transactions. They all follow the same rulebook. Nobody gets special treatment. That's decentralization. Here's the group chat version. Imagine you're in a group chat with 50 people. If one person leaves, does the whole chat disappear? Nope. Everybody else is still there. Now imagine one person tries to rewrite the entire conversation. The other 49 people would look at that like, absolutely not. Bitcoin works kind of like that. Many computers keep a copy of the same information. If one computer starts acting suspicious, the rest of the network can reject it and keep moving. That's why decentralization matters. It makes Bitcoin harder to control, harder to censor, and harder to shut down. If one computer goes offline, many others are still running. If one place tries to block it, the global network does not just vanish. Now compare that to your favorite social media app. When their servers crash, everybody is stuck refreshing the screen like, is it me? It's not you. It's centralization. One company, one system, one big point of failure. A decentralized network spreads the work out. If one piece goes down, the rest can keep operating. But listen closely. Decentralized does not mean there are no rules. It means the rules apply to everybody. The rules are built into the network, not controlled by one person behind a desk. So here's your cheat sheet. Centralized means one company controls the system, one place makes the decisions, and one failure can affect everybody. Decentralized means power is shared, many computers work together, no single person controls the network, and the same rules apply to everyone. See? Not scary, just different. Now, when someone says Bitcoin is decentralized, you know they mean the network is designed to run without one central boss. Next lesson, we're getting into Bitcoin scarcity. Why that 21 million limit matters. I'm Miss Hood Nerd Extraordinaire, reminding you that smart money starts with smart learning. To keep building your digital asset knowledge, join the free trading challenge with Diversified Capital Aristocrats. I'll see you in the next class.